Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. Today's video is going to be showing us how we can fund our Metamask wallet with Ethereum on the base chain from our Binance app. So in the last video, we talked about how we can fund our Trust Wallet app with Ethereum on the base chain from Binance. But in this video, we're going to be using the Metamask wallet. Let's get started. So first of all, you need is your Metamask wallet and your Binance app. Once you have these two apps downloaded, you then go ahead to open up your Metamask app. Once you open up your Metamask app, you can see that by default, the Metamask app is connected to the Ethereum main network. And what we need to do now is to ensure that our Metamask is connected to the base mainnet. And to do this, we simply tap on the in-app browser, and then we head over to the URL chainlist.org. Okay, so once the URL opens up, then we need to connect our wallet. Okay, so where you see this address here, if your wallet is not yet connected, you see connect wallet, just connect your wallet and your wallet will be connected, and you would see your strings of letters and numbers. That is your wallet address. Then we head over to where we have search networks and impute base. Okay, once you impute base, this comes up, and then you just tap on add to Metamask, and then it says this site would like to switch the network. This will switch the selected network within Metamask to a previously added network. Okay, so we want to switch to the base mainnet. Just tap on switch network. Okay, now base mainnet is now active. Alright, so just head back to our Metamask wallet. As you can see, it was previously Ethereum mainnet, now it's the base mainnet. Now we can go ahead to move our funds from Binance into our Metamask, and to do this we simply copy our address from Metamask and then we head over to Binance. Okay, so we wait for our Binance app to open up, and then we're on our spot page on Binance. Okay, this is a spot page on Binance, and then we tap on the Ethereum token. If you do not have Ethereum on Binance, simply buy a quantity of Ethereum that you would want to trade with, and then you tap on withdrawal. You tap on send by crypto network. You paste the address, then you select the network base, and then you impute the amount that you want to transfer. Let's see if I can transfer this like $3 worth. Okay, so we go ahead to tap on withdraw. Alright, tap on confirm. Then we're required to impute our code. I'll be right back to this video once this code has been imputed. Okay, so our withdrawal has been initiated after we imputed our authentication code, and then we just head back to our Metamask wallet. So we want to confirm if the transaction has reflected. So let's open up the Metamask wallet. Alright, so as you can see, our Ethereum for the base mainnet is now in our Metamask wallet. So guys, this is a process on how you can fund your Metamask wallet with Ethereum on the base chain from your Binance app. I hope this video has been helpful, guys. If you have any questions, do make a comment in the comment section, and rest assured that someone will be available to attend to you. And sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on that post notification bell for more educative content like this. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.